एटा आउ गोटे एल्गोरिथम रहिला ए एल्गोरिथम ने हमें कोन करबा ना हमें गोटे नेक्स्ट नंबर हमें बाहर करियो गोटे नंबर नबा तार नेक्स्ट नंबर हमें बाहर करियो स्टार्ट द एल्गोरिथम let n be any number n गोटे नंबर नबा accept the value of n गोटे नंबर हमें एक्सेप्ट करबा n is equal to n plus 1 नंबर टाको हमें इंक्रीमेंट करबा डिस्प्ले n एंड ऑफ एल्गोरिथम फर्स्ट हमें एल्गोरिथम स्टार्ट करिया स्टार्ट एल्गोरिथम let n be the number accept the number n is equal to n plus 1 display n end of algorithm एठी n टाको हमें कहबा n is a variable because n value is always changes मु जते बेले n ର value 5 देबी ता पर value 5 plus 1 6 आसीबो जते बेले मु 6 plus 1 6 देबी सेटा 7 आसीबो तो variable value टा सब बेले कोन हुए ना चेंजेस हुए तो n is a variable where the value is changes all the time एटा लिखो नेक्स्ट अथरे कहि दोची the flowchart contain some kind of symbol it is a graphical representation of algorithm as like of your algorithm ଯେମିତି algorithm step by step process follow କରୁଥିଲା algorithm ଯେମିତି IPO cycle follow କରୁଥିଲା flowchart भी IPO cycle follow କରିବ ये भी कौन करिवो input टाको accept करिवो accepting the instruction data as input processing the instruction and data then display the result of output okay the processing would involve in the processing आ भितर कौन रहिबो ना कंप्यूटेशन रहिबो डिसीजन मेकिंग डाटा टेकन कंप्यूटिंग करा जिवो ना तुमे कौन से डिसीजन भी नहीं ओके सो नोट इट डाउन फ्लो चार्ट
Sir, complete.
advantages of the flowchart help in analyzing the problem effectively flowchart help in analyzing the problem effectively flowchart act as a guide during program development phase program development phase रे a guide भली काम करी disadvantages of the flowchart is what a lengthy flowchart extend over the multiple pages माने हमरो गोटे जगह रे जदी पेपर भीतर सब जिंस रहइला so it is easy to understand you can learn it you can read it if the things are present in the next page or in the seventh page like when you read the paper and it's saying that here some context is present, like in the page number 20, then it is difficult to understand. So drawing a flowchart using any graphical tool is very time consuming process. The changes made to a single step may cause redrawing the entire flowchart. So any changes is there, you have to change the entire flowchart. Okay, so drawing a flowchart using any tool is very time consuming process. Okay. So write advantages and disadvantages. Hello. Pseudocode means pseudo means false means code. Pseudocode, it is a detailed yet readable description of what algorithm must do. It is expressed in a formally styled natural language rather than in a programming language. Basically, it is used as an initial step in the process of developing a program. But a program develop it has an initial step to count. It is a readable description of what algorithm must do. It is expressed in a formally styled natural language rather than in a programming. It is used as an initial step in the process of developing a program. Okay. So the pseudocode. Pseudo which is false, code means coding. Okay. It is easy and fast to write as it is a English like statement. Flow chart रे कौन होगा? यदि मु किसी draw करूँगी, ताले यदि गोटे single step भूल होगा, ताले मते आउथरे मूलरू entire flow chart टा redesign करियो पड़े. एठी सेमती redesign करी होगा. Okay, it needs no rewriting. If any changes made in the single step, it can be converted to any program. Limitation of the pseudocode is what? A detailed yet readable description of what algorithm must do. Just a second. It is a fast and right. It is easy and fast to write English like statement. जेंदे मु कहतली आमे फ्लो चार्ट रे जदि किछि भूल हैला ताले हमको मूलरू सेटा को डिजाइन करिया पड़िबो बा मूलरू लेखिया पड़िबो. तो as it is a single line statement, you have to just cut it and you write just above. जेंदे हमें भूल कर देले कट बड़े सिंगल कट मारते के ऊपर लिखो इट सेमती लिखा हो. Limitation of the pseudocode. It describes the readable description of what algorithm must do. It is expressed in a formal, styled, natural language rather than in a programming language. It is used as an initial step in the process of developing a program. कौन सी प्रोग्राम बनने को हेले प्री फेज रे एटा हमको यूज करो लिमिटेशन. ये लिखा देगा. First exercise कोची write an algorithm to find whether a number entered by a user is divisible by 5 or not. गोटे नंबर आमे नबा सेटा चेक करिवा सेटा 5 रे डिविजिबल हो कि नै. तो एटा देखो एटा केमति आसीबो. Start the algorithm, accept a number, divide the number by 5. आमे गोटे नंबर को 5 रे डिवाइड करिवा. जदि मोर रिमाइंडर टा 0 रहउची ताले नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 5. पूरा सिंपल एल्गोरिथम. फर्स्ट जेतला हमें जेन पढ़तले एल्गोरिथम जेतला स्टार्ट करिवा स्टार्ट आ एंड रहिबो. इट इज स्टार्ट द एल्गोरिथम एंड द एल्गोरिथम रहिला. एक्सेप्ट ए नंबर, डिवाइड द नंबर बाय 5. और नंबर को 5 रे डिविजिबल करले. इफ द रिमाइंडर इज 0, जदि रिमाइंडर मोर 0 रहिला द नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 5. इफ द remainder is not 0, number is not divisible by 5, then end of algorithm. लिखा इधर. Display 9 into 1 9, display 9 into 2 9 into 3 9 into 4 9 into 10 एमती हमारा 10 multiples आउटा शो करेगा. Even now, now start the algorithm, end the algorithm. Accept a number, divide the number by 2. If the remainder is 0, number is even. If the number is not 0, number is odd. आम algorithm लिखिले start the algorithm, accept first number, then accept second number, then subtract the first number from the second number. First number टा में second number में subtract करिवा, display the result, end of algorithm. Start algorithm, accept the first number, accept the second number, subtract the first number from the second, display the result, end of algorithm.